Well, welcome back, guys. I got on the little BN the other day, and the starter has jammed up on me before, and the commutator at the end of the armature is not flat. I don't know any other way to say it. Where the brushes ride is kind of wavy, but actually it's gouged in. It's high on the ends and pretty flat across the middle. And I thought what was happening is those brushes were jamming, but I popped them loose. They were not bothered. My drive is a little bit dry. It doesn't like to roll back out on its own, but when I got it off today, I took a look and see if I can get in there without hitting the right there. See if I can get to roll back a little bit. I don't know how well this camera's going to pick that up, but there we go. I got a little circle of bad teeth on my ring gear there. I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can get it worked around, see if there's any more that looks like that, but I think maybe that's what's wrong with it. It's jamming up. You can sort of see in here, looks to me like it's catching on the end of them rather than sinking with them and going ahead and spinning. So alright, so I've done all the way around with the hand crank, all the way around it, and most of them look like this. It's that one spot that there's a little bit of wear and damage down here, so I don't know. It never has ground in there. It's just occasionally we'll do that lockup thing. So I think to try to save the starter and not my arm and back, I guess we're going to be hand starting this one for a while. So I'm going to get this electrical button back together. So I'm going to put my starter back on. I just won't use it. We'll hand crank it. It usually isn't too bad. When it's cold, it's a little rough, but most of this work, the work that I do with this is during the summer mowing grass anyway. So I guess that's it. I've got to my bearing on the back of my torque tube here into the transmission is a little bit noisy. It was on my list of things to replace anyway, this one, and then I guess while I was in it, double check the clutch. It probably could use a clutch. There's not really anything wrong with this one that I can feel, but it probably needs a clutch, throw out bearing and whatnot. But I don't know. Guess that's going to be the next project, getting a new ring gear on this thing. But I'm gonna get, all right. So got to button back up. I left the starter rod out of it so I could be sure to lose it, actually, so I wouldn't get in a hurry and jump on it and step on it and jam it back up. It's not too hard to undo, but let's see now if we can get it to start. Alright, so change my mind again. I went ahead and hooked it up. It's been working most of the time. Just every once in a while it jams up. It's just done it twice kind of recently, but I got it started. Did not get started with the hand crank. I technically have the wrong hand crank. It's way too long, and when you're out here cranking this far up, it's too much wallow. You can't get it to turn, and you'll get just about the top of a compression stroke and run out of room, and then you got to fight the compression back. So I quit on that. I decided not to do it. But this summer maybe I'll get this ring gear off, put me a new one in. Also going to start some more body work rather, excuse me. I've got that fender about like I want it. So it needs a lot of help, but that's where we sit. So I guess that's what we got going. We'll get back to it. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll catch you next time.